Good morning dear children. Once again welcome to maths class. Today's topic is find the fraction of shaded and unshaded part using the given figures. Okay. First, here you can see a circle and this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Then also one part is shaded. We have to find the fraction of shaded and unshaded part. So we know that the fraction of shaded part is 1 by 4. How will you get 1 by 4? Because the 4 equal parts, one part only shaded. So shaded part fraction is 1 by 4. Next, unshaded part. We know that 3 parts are not shaded. So we can write the fraction as 3 by 4. 3 boxes not shaded. So unshaded part is 3 by 4. Now you got 2 fractions. Like this. Here you can see a circle and this circle is divided into how many parts? Total 8 equal parts. Okay. Now I am going to shade 5 parts. Now 5 parts are shaded. Then what is the fraction of the shaded part? Yeah, we know that fraction of shaded part is equal to 5 by 8. Because 5 columns shaded, then total 8. That is 5 by 8. Then, what is the fraction of unshaded part? Unshaded part, 3 column only remaining. 3 parts remaining. So, unshaded part is 3 by 8. Okay, all of you? ഇതെല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. ഇതുമായിട്ട് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ മുമ്പിലോട്ട് ഇനി പോകുന്നത്. അറിയാത്തവർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ദ ഗിവൺ ഫിഗർ. Here you can see 2 different shadings. Here blue color and here red color. Also given that this red color shading is given that 20 degree. We know that the degree measure of the circle, total degree measure of the circle is 360 degree. So we can write as 20 by 360. എങ്ങനെയാണ് 20 by 360 എന്ന് എഴുതുന്നത്? 20 is the given angle. 360 is the total degree measure of this circle. Okay. Then we can cancel this 0 and 0 because numerator and denominator same number, same 0. So we can cancel 0 and 0. Then remaining is 2 by 36. Then again we have to write in the lowest form. Lowest form എഴുതാൻ 5th standard നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? How? ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ least ഫോമിലോട്ട് എഴുതുക. That is 2ന്റെ half എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1. 36ന്റെ half എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 18. 1 by 18. So this part is 1 by 18. അതായത് 20 degree. ഈ പാർട്ട് മാത്രമാണ് 1 by 18. That means this circle has 18 equal parts. 1 പാർട്ട് മാത്രമാണ് ഇവിടെ ഈ റെഡ് കളർ കൊണ്ട് ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ റെഡ് പാർട്ട് ഈസ് 1 by 18. ഇവിടെ ടോട്ടൽ 18 ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഈ സർക്കിൾ 18 ഈക്വൽ പാർട്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ എത്രയായിരിക്കും ഷെയ്ഡിങ് ഈ ബ്ലൂ കളർ കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? 17. ബിക്കോസ് 17 ഇവിടെ 1 ആണ്, ഇവിടെയാണ് 18 കിട്ടുന്നത്. ടോട്ടൽ 18 ആണ്. 1 പാർട്ടാണ് ആകെ നമുക്ക് ഷെയ്ഡ് ഇവിടെ റെഡ് കളർ ഉള്ളത്. സോ 17 by 18 is the blue color, blue part. All of you. അതായത് സർക്കിളിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു 18 ഈക്വൽ പാർട്സ് ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. 1 part is this 20 degree. So 70 blue color is 17 by 18. Okay, all of you. Next question is, this is the given figure. We have to find the fraction of this red part and blue part. Also given that one angle is 54 degree. So we have to first find the fraction of red part. So we can write 54 by 360. 54 is this angle and 360 is total degree measure. Next, we have to write in the lowest form. That is 54 divided by 2 is 27 and 360 divided by 2 is 180. രണ്ടിന്റെയും half എഴുതുന്നു. Again we have to write in the least form. That is 27 divided by 180. Numerator and denominator divided by same number. Numerator and denominator same number divide ചെയ്തത് least lowest formiലോട്ട് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. So 27 and 180 divided by 3. That is 9 by 16. That is 9 3s are 27 and 6 3s are 80. Next, again we have to write in the least form. Also 9 divided by 3, 16 divided by 3. That is 9 divided by 3 is 3, 16 divided by 3 is 20. Okay. Now we got the fraction. This is 3 by 20. That means what? This circle is divided into 20 equal parts. This total circle is divided into 20 equal parts. So 3 part is this region. This region is 3 equal parts. That means what? The remaining part is how much? 20 equal parts. So remaining is 17, because we know that 3 plus 17 is 20. So 17 plus 3 is 20. So blue color part is 17 part, because 3 and 17 total is 20 coming. So blue part is 17 by 20. Okay. Next we have to find the fraction of this given figure. It is given that one angle is 80 degree. We have to find the fraction of shaded part and unshaded part. So we can write first we have to find the fraction of shaded part. Shaded part angle is 80 degree divided by total degree measure is 360 degree. Okay. Then 0, 0 cancel. Then 8 by 36. Again we can write in the least form. That is 4 2s are 8 and 9 4s are 36. Here 4 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. Now we got the fraction 2 by 9. This region is 2 by 9. So that means what? This circle is divided into 9 equal parts. Understood all of you? So what is the fraction of unshaded part? Unshaded part is equal to total 9. So 7 is remaining. 7 by 9. This part is 7 by 9. Okay, all of you. Next question. This is the given figure. It is given that the one angle is 150 degree, and this we have to find the fraction of shaded part and unshaded part. First we will find the fraction of shaded part. That is given that 150 degree. So 150 degree divided by 360. Then numerator and denominator 0. We can cancel. Then 15 divided by 36. Again we can write this in the lowest form. That is, if you divide with 3, numerator and denominator divide with 3, then what we will get it? 5 3s are 15 and 12 3s are 36. 5 by 12. Now we got the fraction 5 by 12. That means this is 5 by 12. So how much will come this region? Total is 5 by 12. So this is the shaded part. Next is unshaded part. See, we know that 7 by 12 is the unshaded part, because we know that 7 plus 5. 7 ന്റെ 5 add ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് 12 കിട്ടുന്നത്. So this region is 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. Okay. Questions ഒക്കെ എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്ത് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. ഹോംവർക്ക് ഉണ്ട് മിസ് അത് എഴുതുന്നുണ്ടോ എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. എന്നിട്ട് മിസ്സിന് അത് അയച്ചു തരണം. ഓക്കെ. താങ്ക് യു. സീ യു നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.